Family dynamics can make power of attorney decisions more complicated than people expect. On paper, choosing someone can seem simple. In real life, family history, tensions, expectations, and strong opinions can shape the decision very quickly. I'm Kim Clenny. My law partner, Deborah Palmer, and I help Alabama families think through power of attorney decisions and put the right documents in place for their situation. In this video, I want to talk about how to choose a power of attorney when family dynamics are complicated, and why pressure from relatives can push families toward the wrong choice. A power of attorney gives someone serious legal authority, depending on how the document is written. That person could handle financial matters, legal matters, and other major responsibilities during a stressful time. For that reason, this decision deserves more than a quick conversation or a choice based on who seems like the obvious pick. Many families run into trouble here. Maybe someone who expects to be chosen may not be the person equipped for the role, or an adult child who lives closest probably doesn't handle pressure well. Sometimes parents feel pulled toward the person who has done the most helping, even when that person is already overwhelmed or poorly suited for this kind of responsibility. Family pressure can distort decision too. Some people worry about keeping things fair between siblings. Some want to avoid hurt feelings. Some choose the person less likely to argue. Others fall into old family patterns and end up naming the person who has always taken charge without really stopping to ask whether that person is the right fit. A power of attorney should never be treated like a reward, a peace offering, or a way to avoid conflict. Good decision making starts with capability. You want someone who can stay calm under pressure, communicate clearly, make sound decisions, and act in your best interest when the situation is stressful. Complicated family dynamics matter so much here because a person can be loving, loyal, and deeply involved in the family and still be the wrong choice for this role. A person can also live nearby and be willing to help and still struggle with financial responsibility, communication, or decision making under stress. Being family matters, but being family alone does not make someone the best for a legal authority. Silence creates problems too. When families never talk openly about the decision, people start making assumptions. One child may expect to be named, another may assume responsibilities will be shared. Someone else may feel overlooked or pushed aside. Confusion like that can turn into conflict quickly, especially when a health issue or emergency puts pressure on everyone. Making this decision while life is calm gives you room to think clearly about who is best equipped to serve in this role. Leaving it unresolved can force your family to sort through tension and confusion in the middle of a crisis. Every family is different, which is why this decision should be based on your actual relationships, your adult concerns, and the kind of support systems you have around you now. Choosing the right person comes down to who can carry the responsibility well, not who seems like the easiest answer for the moment. A free power of attorney consultation can help you work through this with clear guidance. We can review your situation, explain what a power of attorney can do, and help you put the right document in place for your needs. Click the link to schedule your free consultation.